Hello, good afternoon, tutor and colleagues. Today we will be talking about Colombian education. Task 2 recording. My name is Adriana Natalia Peña Sánchez. Statement Bilingual education in Colombia, particularly Spanish English bilingualism, has been privileged. This is seen as a proving access to a highly visible, socially accepted form of bilingualism, leading to the possibility of employment in the global marketplace. In contrast, bilingualism in minority Amerindian or Creole language has been generally undervalued and associated with an invisible form of bilingualism related to the underdevelopment, poverty, and backwardness. My opinion about the statement, in my opinion, based on the readings and belief that in our current bilingualism is the relationship between English and Spanish and other foreign languages and many indigenous languages and communities, but not necessarily considered as a form of bilingualism. Traditionally, we have been very concerned with the acquisition of English living outside of a mother tongue, which part of cultural identity and distinguishes us from other countries. It is important to recognize that progress has been made in the implementation of the constitutional principles of linguistic and cultural diversity through the ethnic education policy guided by the Colombian government, which benefits indigenous and minority communities in the country's territory. That is why it's important to have an adequate education reform in Colombia, which is a fair analogous all languages to be taught in the same way. Examples of bilingualism in Colombia. To promote the national bilingual program, the objective is to ensure that Colombian citizens can communicate in English with acceptable standards, emphasizing only English and competitive benefits in the international market. According to Semana Magazine, the education company IFF, among Latin American countries, Colombia ranked 17 out 19 countries in terms of English proficiency. In Colombia, approximately 850 people speak 68 native languages. 45% of bilingual schools are concentrated in Bogotá. Only 111 bilingual education institutions in the country are the private sector. Among the public ones, bilingual education is not the focus. Question. The question we can ask how for bilingual education programs for majority language speakers in Colombia today are actively helping towards the creation of a more understanding, a more tolerant society, and not only providing a way to better jobs and higher standard of living for their graduates. Answer the question. As a multicultural and multilingual country, Colombia needs a language policy that not only considers external aids attention to the globalist world, but also local complexity. Colombia's bilingual programs must respect the country's own cultural characteristics, including tolerance and respect for cultural diversity, and acquired a second language with moving away from its roots. There is no doubt about that bilingualism not only allows us to meet world and academic expansion, but also allows us to find words and achieve excellent results. In addition, in the workplace, bilingual professionals are paid more than other professions. Examples: in Colombia, bilingual courses must be offered that meet basic foreign language proficiency standards and curricular guidelines. These projects should not only cover the urban school population, but also students from dispersed regions and ethnic groups. National bilingual courses should be based on the common European framework for determining English proficiency. The method of teaching a foreign or native language should be considered. Thanks for your attention. Bye.